Good evening, students. Today, the topic which will discuss the reducing equation to simpler form. Okay. How can we reduce the complex equation? Complex equation in one variable into the linear form or the simple form. This is also linear, but this is also linear, but the form is very complex, so we have to simplify and we can find the previous one, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 5x plus 6. This is linear and simplify and simple, but it is in the another form, that is called complex form. Okay, that complex form is the form of, that is, let 6x plus 1 by 5x plus 2 is equal to 2 upon 5, 2x by 5. This is very complex, so we have to reduce it to the simpler form, that is also linear. It is also linear, but we can reduce into the linear form. Okay, simpler form. So it can be understood by taking an example. Let five x minus 1 by 36 is equal to x plus 4 by 18 minus 2. Okay, this is very complex. This is all linear in one variable. Question is linear in one variable, but the form is complex. We have to reduce it into the linear form, simpler form. Okay, simpler form. Okay, see. So here I can say that here 36 is divided. So when I change the side, that is 5x, or simply 36 is multiplied on both sides. Okay, let 36 is multiplied on both sides. Okay, that implies okay, 36 is multiplied on both sides. Then 36 can be cancelled. We have only 5x minus 1 is equal to x plus 4 upon 18. This 36 is multiplied with this term and also this term. That is distributive property under subtraction. Is 36 minus 2 into 36. Okay, so 5x minus 1 is equal to, that is x plus 4 is multiplied with 2, that is 18 to the 36, and that is 72. Okay, again 5x minus 1, then multiply 2 with this bracket, so 2x the 2x plus 2 4 is 8 minus 72. Okay, so 5x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 8 minus 72, that is minus 64. Okay, that is minus 64. Okay, then so this is in the form of linear equation. Okay, this is in the form of linear equation. Okay, so it is simple. So it is reduces to complex equation. Then we can know how can we solve this type of equation, that is 5x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 64. Then variable into one side and numbers into the other side. So 5x minus 2x is equal to minus 64 plus 1. Then minus 1 is converted into plus 1 and my plus 2x is converted into minus 2x. That is 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. That is equal to minus 64 plus 1, that is minus 63. Okay. Then to remove 3 from 3x, we can divide 3 on both sides. Minus 63 upon 3. So x is equal to minus of 21 because the number is minus 63. Okay. So in this way, we can solve the equation from starting from complex to the simpler and then we solve. Okay. Complex. This is complex. This is the complex form. This is the simpler form. Okay. And we can solve. Okay. Then another article is reduce equations reducible to the linear form. Equations reducible to the linear form. Equations reducible to the linear form. Okay. So it is in the form of C. Let x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 upon 8. This is also linear. This is also linear, but it is in the form of complex type. So this is in the form of complex type. Okay, complex form. This is in the complex form, or can write is the fractional form. Fractional form or division form or the ratio form. Okay, but it is converted into the linear form. What is the linear form? Let the form is A upon B is equal to C upon D. This is the fractional form or division form or ratio form. But when A is equal to B, this is in the linear form. Okay. So this type of complex form or fractional form of equation can be reduced into the linear form in this process. See. Okay. So there are two methods. This is the first method. This is the first method. Multiplying 2x plus 3 on both sides. Okay. Then 2x plus 3 can be cancelled. That is, we can only x plus 1 is equal to 3 upon 8 is multiplied with 2x plus 3. Then to remove 8, we can multiply 8 on both sides. Then 8x plus 8 is equal to 8 can be cancelled. That is, only we have 2x plus 3. That is 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9. This is in the... Okay, so this is the fractional form and this is the linear form. So in this way we can reduce the fractional form into the linear form. Okay. Then another method is the cross multiplication method. What is cross multiplication? Means the LHS side upper fraction is multiplied with the lower fraction and the RHS side upper fraction is multiplied with the LHS lower fraction. So x plus 1 is multiplied with 8. That is LHS upper fraction, RHS lower fraction. In this way. This is the cross multiplication. Here and there. Is equal to 3 is multiplied with 2x plus 3. So 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9. This is the same as here. We can get also. Previously we can get 8x plus 8 is equal to 6x plus 9. So it is only one step method plus multiplication method. One step or two step method. It is very easy than the first method. So you can done in two methods. First method can be applied or the cross multiplication method is applied. But it is very easy than the first method. Okay. In next class, we will discuss the problems regarding linear equations. From the starting of linear equation, we will discuss different types of problems regarding the linear equation. Okay. Thank you.